Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to receive money on PayPal. So guys, if you need to receive money through PayPal, here's a quick guide to get you set up. So guys, for the first one is make sure your PayPal account is verified, and just simply add and confirm a bank account or credit card to enable receiving funds. And once you have verified your account by adding your bank account or credit or debit, just simply go ahead and share your PayPal email. So to receive money, simply provide your PayPal email, the one that you use to sign up or log in. And guys, note that PayPal may freeze large transaction if your account isn't fully verified. And next up guys, another option that you have is create a paypal.me link. So in order for you to create a paypal.me link, just simply go to the settings icon and select paypal.me and click on manage. And from there guys, you'll be able to customize your link as well, and you'll be able to share your paypal.me link as well to the others. That allows them to send you money directly without needing your email. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.